Okay, everyone, we all need to... Wait, why are you guys fusing together? Sorry. You guys, stop fusing. Okay, Mr. Yellow. Maroon should be here. Yep, now I'm the leader. Now everyone will follow me or you will die. Okay, fine, whatever. Yeah, good job, Yellow. So all of you will need to cross this forest. Extremely big. Oh yeah, you guys need to avoid everything there. Also, try not to get in this water and just commit suicide and just reach this stupid cat house. Because we need to hunt for victory. Because we are Legos that want to have survival, right? Yeah! What do we eat? Cats! What do we know? What do we know about YouTube? And what game do we play? Minecraft! What other game? Roblox! Okay, everyone. It's time for slow motion snacks. Okay, red is dead. Okay, every time you die or get off this stupid desk, you are gonna fuse with me, Maroon, and you guys will have to leave me now. Okay, everyone go away. I'll see you guys there. Wait, 2. Yeah, aren't you supposed to go with us? Oh yeah, I will lead you guys to the victory royale. Okay, just gotta make this quick. There we go, some nails over there. We got some nails. Okay. Everyone follow me! Everyone follow me! Okay. Follow me or die. Okay, fine. We're all following you. Thank you. Okay, let's go, guys. We're all the best Legos ever, so we need to do this. Congratulations. You just won a French fry. I don't need fast food. We need to get to that kitty kingdom. How are we supposed to get to the kitty kingdom? Oh, I don't know, killing a plant or something? Yeah, but it's kind of creepy here. Because there's nothing actually going on here. It's just a boring old plant. It's just bored only. There's just old boring plants. Okay, guys, I know we can do this. I know it. I just know we can do it. Okay, everyone follow me. We're getting pretty close to that that fat Snapgrack score. Okay, you just gotta kill yourself. There we go. Okay, guys, follow me. Sure thing, cripple. Okay, everyone. We're here! Yes! We're finally down to the cat. This is real life lore! Whee! Oh, crud. Well, now that I'm the second color of the rainbow, I think I should lead the team. No, I should! Brown frick! Okay, now I should lead this game. Yellow, you're being miserably insane because everyone is full of misery. Whatever. Orange sucks anyways because he's the color of fire. So is red and you! I am Senor Beast Boy. Call me Dirt. I'm JC's favorite color, so I should join because blue is crap. Purple is crap. But okay, now I'm the one. You're full of miserableness. No! Ha ha ha, you missed. Actually, it's time for you to go on there. Step on poo, idiot. Okay. It's all down to this. Oh, come on. He just escaped because we wasted together. Frick this!